In this video, we're going to focus on measures of center. There are two ways that we can measure the center of a distribution, mean and median, both of which you should already be familiar with. As a refresher, the mean is the set of observations added together and divided by the number of data points. The formula looks like this. This symbol right here is called x bar. X bar is the symbol that we use to represent the average for a sample. The little symbol right here is called sigma. It represents the sum of a set of data. Here we call this x sub I. X sub I represents each element in the data set. And then finally, our variable n represents the number of elements in the data set. So looking at our data set of 4, 36, 10, 22, and 9, we want to find the mean. So using our formula that looks like this, we're taking the sum of each sub I, which is 4 plus 36 plus 10 plus 22 plus 9, divided by n, which is the number of elements. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in this data set. When you add all of these and divide by 5, your result is 16.2. The next measure of center is the median. The median is the middle element of a data set when the data set is ordered from least to greatest. If there are two elements in the middle of the data set, the median is the average of these two values. So if the number of observations or the number of elements is odd, we know the median is going to be the middle, which is only going to be one data point. If the number of observations is even, we know the median is going to be two middle numbers and therefore the average of these two numbers. So for example, we're working with the same data set. The median is found by ordering them from least to greatest. So we have 4, 9, 10, 22, 36. So starting on the outsides, we work in, and we find out that the median is right here at 10, which we can call M. However, in the next data set, we see that there are an even number of elements. These two values are in the middle. So when this happens, we take the 10 plus 11, we average them, we end up with 10.5. So the median in this case is 10.5.